Hey, what's up, y'all? So I've been off YouTube for about 9-10 months, I think, when I checked. Missed it a little bit, and so I figured I'm gonna jump back on it. So most of y'all know me with my Ram content, the 6.7 Cummins. I think that was a 2018 Tradesman Edition. Went into a 2019 F250. Y'all been asking me questions. Hey, did you get rid of your truck? When are you coming back? If you're coming back. One video I made was me driving actually to the dealership with my 2019 6.7 Power Strike. As we all know, trucks have been marked up. It's starting to level back down, but I figured I'd kind of catch the tailwind of the current market. Two things that I regret making on this truck. It was one, going with the Platinum Edition instead of a King Ranch, and then two, installing a 4-inch lift. I should have stuck with a leveling kit. I've never had a lift on any one of my trucks that I've had in the past. It was one of those, you know, this would be the truck that I would try it on for the first time. And so yeah, if I could go back in time, I would make those corrections, but other than that, guys, I'm getting ready to, you know, sell my truck. Dealership's gonna buy it outright. It's been a great truck, and we'll see what comes next. Obviously, I got to replace it with something. Nice truck. Put a lot of nice upgrades, quality parts on that truck. But yeah, I ended up trading in that truck. Guys, I'm still in a diesel, just a different generation 6.7 Power Stroke, and I'm now in a 2015 F250 King Ranch. It's actually a Lariat, but with the King Ranch edition. That's the way they did things. So enough talking about it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the new to me truck. Slightly different setup. Let me go ahead and jump up on top of this bumper so I can give you a better camera view. This bumper's sweet. I mean, I can literally stand in here. I mean, it's like having a topside creeper. Yeah, nothing crazy going on. Still has the EGR factory intake, which has a obnoxiously huge airbox suction, I don't know, ventilation, but I don't know what the hell that is, but there's a lot going on with this air intake. Obviously shows that it more so probably took a shit on this truck. I mean, as you can see right there, kind of some overspray. That's the only reason why this kind of leakage action. And it's common for these 6.7 Power Strokes. Nice little light right there. All factory, yeah. Everything's been well taken care of. All right, guys, so just want to make a quick video, kind of get back into the game, show you what I'm working with now. So looking forward to getting back to some more videos. If y'all have any questions, go ahead and hit me up. I'm glad to be doing videos again. But yeah, until next time, see y'all.